Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Directorate of Commerce and Industries hakajing trailang bat ke Indian Institutes of Management Shillong kala penlong ye program bekerpang nakabenta ki nongtre katanat ye kabala tip kum ke mentor development program kabala penlong ha IIM Sauli. Ye kani program la play pat ba do director jong katanat Commerce and Industries uba F Sutnga hakajing dan lang joint director jong ke Commerce and Industries uba ML Wanshnong ki officer jong katanat pat kumjuru kinong hikai jong ka IIM Shillong. Habakren hingga kasni na kaliang uba Sutnga ulaong baka MSME haga Jylla kalong kebadan kambha bat ngintre shitom na kabenta bat penyo ya ke MSME bakan day Budlum jong ka Jaidbynriew bat kamtam haga Ïohkam Ïohjam batru haga kamai kaji batru ki kampenroy. Ula penrap ru de baong baka tanat trekam kan treshitom ban putuskut ho iki pat ba halor ka jingdon kam jongka. Ula ong ru ba baro ki bawan ban yashim benta kindei kalawai na kabenta ban ajing hikai bat ru ban betin lenti yaki wai ru di. Ula penrap de baong ka jingjob jong ka program ka shong happy bat ha ka jingla jong pi kumno ban pensyai bat ya samlem shaki wai pat kamtam hapo ka Jylla.
For me to be here on this inaugural function of this MMT program, MSME Mentor Development Program here at IIM Shillong. This initiative, a key component of the RAM program, is not just another training session, but we have done all this past weeks and months, different institutes, but it represents a strategic investment in the most important assets of our department. That is all you, my dear officers of the department. As department officials, each of you plays a vital role in shaping the economic future of our states. Our responsibility of the department depends on us. The decision you make, the guidance you provide, and the action you take on the ground have a direct and lasting impact on the success of the MSME in our state. It is your expertise, dedication, and problem-solving capabilities that bridge the gap between the common policies we use supreme from time to time and the entrepreneurs who drive our economy forward. The Commerce and Industries Department has long recognized that while policies and programs, schemes, etc. provide a framework, but the real changes happen through the hands and minds of the people like you, that being the officers of the commerce industry. Those who work tirelessly at the grassroots level to support and empower our MSME, especially the small scale and micro sector. That is why today's program is very important for you. Building your capacity to not only implement our regular scheme programs and policies, but also to mentor and guide the MSME is critical to ensuring the sustainable growth of this particular sector. MSME face so many challenges as we have experienced in our career. It may be in the field of creative linkage, technology intervention, cluster approach, or market driven, or navigating regulatory requirements. These are not challenges that can be solved by policy and our normal scheme from our budget, but they also require personalized mentorship, practical solution, and an in-depth understanding of each business unique content. This is where we are as department officers to play a very crucial role. Your ability to mentor, advise, and support these enterprises can make a difference between the success and failures for many of them in different parts of our districts. Through this mentor development program, you will not only gain valuable knowledge from the faculties of IIM Shillong, but also enhance your ability to be effective mentors and good leaders. The skill you acquire here will be instrumental in creating a more supportive environment for the MSME to innovate, grow, and thrive. By strengthening your own capabilities, you are directly contributing to the long-term economic prosperity of our state. I urge all of you to approach this program with a sense of responsibility and commitment. The success of our MSME sector and in turn the economic growth of the Meghalaya depend on how effectively we can support and mentor this enterprise. This is not just an opportunity for you, but to learn but the responsibility to lead and inspire our MSME. Never just wait or delay while executing your daily duties or service. Since our service in our official capabilities is very fast than you may think. In closing, I want to express my gratitude to the Ministry of Management Jylla. The moment we have come and approached the director of IM Jylla, wholeheartedly he has welcomed us and is very friendly and exposed all the property, how we can move forward and formalize this program. Like we are here today, all of us. It's been a long way we have gone and worked hand in hand.
Refresh your knowledge and upgrade your skills, what you have accumulated over the years of experience. I'm sure that with this learning, you can be in the forefront of the industry to deliver the perfect mentorship to all the entrepreneurs and MSMEs in the state. As a representative of the 12th district, you play a pivotal role in ensuring the benefits of the PRAM program reach every corner of Meghalaya, even the smallest and the most remote enterprises. This program will further strengthen your ability to guide MSMEs, helping them innovate, expand, and thrive in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Over the next few days, I encourage you all to actively engage in the sessions, share your insights, and collaborate with your fellow officers. Together, we can create a robust support system for our entrepreneurs, contributing not just to their growth, but to overall progress of our state. Before I conclude, I would like to express my deep appreciation for the visionary leadership of our director and joint director, whose guidance has been instrumental in shaping this program. I also commend all of you for your dedication and hard work, which have brought us to this important juncture. Once again, I welcome you all, and I am confident that this program will bring immense value to our MSME sector and to each one of you as mentors. Thank you, and let us
the inaugural function of today's program, MSME Mentor Development Program. This is a crucial initiative, as you know, under the PRAM program, raising and asserting MSME performance, which holds immense significance for the future of the MSME sector in our state. At the department level, that is Commerce and Industry Department, our mission has always been to foster a robust and thriving business ecosystem. In particular, we recognize that MSMEs are the backbone of our state's economy, contributing significantly to employment, income generation, and regional development. Supporting MSMEs through enabling frameworks, capacity building initiatives, and market linkages is at the core of what we do. It is in this context that this program, the Mentor Development Program for MSME, takes on paramount importance. This program is more than just a training initiative. It is a strategic step towards building a system of mentorship that will act as a catalyst for MSME growth and sustainability. By equipping you with advanced skills and knowledge through this program, we are laying the foundation for a dynamic mentoring ecosystem. You will not only be the key resource persons in extending technical and managerial guidance, but also champions of MSME resilience and growth. The success of this program lies in you. Again, I repeat, the success of this program lies in you, and also your ability to transfer what you learn into reality. That directly affects the growth and performance of MSMEs in our state. Our department takes pride in aligning its policies and programs with the national agenda for MSME growth as envisioned by the Government of India. Under this program of RAM, we are developing frameworks that provide targeted interventions aimed at strengthening MSME competitiveness, and this mentoring initiative is one such pivotal intervention. I am Jong, with his esteemed faculty and wealth of experience in management and leadership development, is the perfect partner for this journey. The knowledge you will gain here will equip you to better understand the complexities of the MSME sector, enabling you to design and implement solutions that align with our broader goals of inclusive and sustainable economic development. I urge all participants to approach this program with a sense of purpose and responsibility. The future of our state's MSME sector will have to be shaped by your contributions as mentors. Let this program mark the beginning of more robust and resilient MSME ecosystem, one that will continue to drive growth and innovations for years to come. With great optimism, I will now officially inaugurate this program, the MSME Mentor Development Program. I place on record my gratefulness to the IM for partnering with us as the government. I hope in the days to come we'll be able to collaborate on more areas. Thank you.